I welcome you to this beautiful place, Villars. And I welcome you to the second edition of the Frontiers Planet Prize.
We started the Frontiers Planet Prize really because we wanted to achieve two things. First of all, we wanted to mobilize the scientists around the planetary boundaries, celebrate them as well, because these are the people that expand our understanding about the planetary boundaries, but as well the people who will keep us safe, revert the planetary trends on which we are on right now. So it's really important to recognize these scientists.
I would like to say, I'm really grateful for this global competition because it really pushes and inspires scientists, researchers like me to start thinking beyond what are the impacts, what are the problems, to think, okay, what are the solutions?
So the message I would send to my colleagues is that we need a paradigm shift in the way science is conducted and translated if we're going to make transformative progress towards achieving the SDGs.
The science has come so far on planetary boundaries, and it was and is just such a phenomenal opportunity to be jury of 100 scientific scholars to award the best science on integrated research on planetary boundaries. It was just a confirmation of the importance of the science, but also a support.
I was very excited when the Frontiers Planet Prize was launched. I hope a prize like this motivates many more young scientists working around the world to apply for it and make sure that the best science is used as we try and solve different environmental crises that we see around the world today.
Super fortunate that I can be part of this community and hope to inspire some future research.
I really think it's important to engage in more what we call transdisciplinary research, so involving non-academic partners in the research and knowledge production that we're doing.
The prize is a source of inspiration for people to see sometimes hope takes hard work and science, and the things that really make a difference aren't noticed. And some of the things that are actually going to make a big difference have been noticed here today.
We need to ensure that we up the game on bringing science and evidence into solving the greatest challenges that we have before us.
We have decided to take on this massive challenge, right? And that means that needs commitment, that needs dedication. There will be pushback by interest groups, by lobbyists, whose interests will have to be moved if we're going to achieve this big goal. And so we have to be persistent, resilient, and just keep going.
Now that the prize is in its second year, showing that this is truly a global collective effort with so many National Academies of Sciences, hundreds of scientists involved in the assessment, thousands of scientists involved in the submission of nominations. It just shows a direction of travel. And the direction of travel in science is that we really need to ramp up even further our understanding of how do we actually manage and govern the entire planet for people's future.